No, I encountered only Tom. I have no relation to my stupid cousin Dracula, who lives in Pennsylvania. Sorry, I get my wonderful place, Pennsylvania, confused with stupid Transylvania. So, what do you like to do? Well, I will tell you what I like to do. I like to suck blood and turn into that. It's fun to do. I like to do my hair like this because I have beautiful hair. And, well, I'm the best vampire there has ever been. No relation to cousin Dracula. But, I am done here, so let's get on with interview.
So have you heard about Twilight?
What is this Twilight you speak of?
Well, it's a few books and movies about vampires.
Vampires, you say? Not a vampire like me, because I am best vampire there has ever been. And, well, I would like to speak with this so-called vampire.
Hey, Edward, we need you.
Who called for me? So you're the so-called vampire from books and movie Twilight. True? Yeah, that's me. So, tell me about yourself, whatever your name is, Mr. Twilight. Well, I'm a vegetarian vampire. That means I don't suck human blood, I pretty much just suck animal blood, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So, you do not suck human blood? You're not a real vampire. Well, how could I expect anybody to live up to my type of vampire? Well, it's not really type. I'm the only vampire that is as good as me. Oh, and I forgot to say one thing about me. I have like really good hair. Oh, so you say you have the best hair? Yeah, I have the best hair. So you say you have better hair? You know what it means. Since you think you have better hair, which obviously I have the better hair, since you think that, I have to eat you. So, yeah.
Well, since they're fighting right now, I'm gonna have to transfer you to Tom's vlog about his Halloween costume.
Well, this is what I'm making for Halloween. That's my Halloween costume. I'm not sure what to call my Halloween costume. Here's my diploma. And here's a picture of it unrolled.